Oh, baby, we're back. Uno, dos, tres. Part trace of our lollywood extravaganza inspired by Pakistan. So grateful, thankful to our Sons of Liberty True North Oriental family. Marisha Hayat, grateful, thankful, appreciative, role model, strength and courage to find your smile every day. Islamabad, Lahore, Pakistan. Who's riding with that revolution of accountability and responsibility? Bang, bang, Allah, mama, let's go, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Woman driving crazy. We get our things. Love the man. I love my little piece. I get out. I love free. Beautiful. Love is mine. Beautiful. Touch. I was something different. And the most beautiful dog. Always daddy's son. That. Lollywood extravaganza, baby. Oh, dude, I hope you're doing it strong. Because you know, Daddy will always be here for Luna and the green bud, because you know Agent Green Bud, baby, reporting for duty to please that booty. No more shopping, no more dreams, no more pain, no more suffering. We throw it all away, baby. We ride. Responsibility. Save a flag high. Love you. Appreciate you. Fuck the world to the end. Most beautiful. Best friends in the world. Alright. The great country queen. Fuck the bear man. White man. Red man. All that's left in is shit. Big pile of shit. Woo. Love you. Where's Hayat? Where's back? Admire. Because yes, need us all. Strength and courage rise up stronger together, no matter the circumstance. No matter. No. Well, helping hand for each other. 989-858-6158. Anytime you need me, I'll be there for you. Who wants to get married, Pakistan? Love, romance is in the air.